In this tutorial we will see how to apply skin on MacBook. Don't worry if your exact MacBook isn't shown, the procedure is identical for all the MacBook models. You will require a hairdryer to install the skin. First, wipe off your device free of dust with provided microfiber cloth for better results, ensuring no dust particles are left. The skin comes with 3 elements: top, bottom and trackpad. Begin with the top piece, remove the skin from 3M releasing paper and reattach as shown. Start applying the skin along the front edge of the Mac. Make sure that the skin is perfectly aligned straight along the edge. Once the skin is lined up perfectly, apply pressure on the exposed area. If the skin is hanging over the edge of the lid, simply remove and try again. Now, lift the skin from 3M paper and move the paper down by few inches. Apply pressure to the exposed area. Repeat this process until the entire top skin has been applied. Use microfiber cloth to remove all the air bubbles under the skin. Begin from the center towards the edge of the device. Repeat until no bubbles are left. Let's install the bottom piece. Remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach as shown. Align the skin to the top screws of the device as shown. Once lined up properly, apply pressure from center to the sides, leaving the corners untouched. Next, lift up the skin and shift the 3M paper down by few inches. Apply pressure to the exposed area to secure the skin in place. Repeat this process until the entire bottom surface has been applied. Use microfiber cloth to remove all the unwanted air bubbles. Smooth out the remainder, leaving the corners untouched. Now, grab your hairdryer and heat any of the corner. Once heated, apply firm pressure to form it around the curve. Repeat this process for the other 3 corners. To apply trackpad skin, remove the skin from 3M paper and align the skin to the top of the trackpad. Apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. Shift the 3M paper down by few centimeters. Apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. Repeat the process until the entire skin is applied. You have successfully installed the most precise skin available in the market. In case you messed up with the installation, contact us for a replacement. For any other queries, visit weirdcrafts.in.